Shwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ki nongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, pen yo kloy ki kubor na ke jylla.
Mynta sngi kan tarik kyllalyngkot Raja Artylli, State President jong Trinamul Congress Bah Charles Pyngrope, Pynbna ka thup kaba nyngkong jong kisan puar Ngut ki Kyrtong ki ban Reng, hakani ke election chakaying dorbar thawaiñ ke jylla haus nam Raja Artylli. Kumba pa hakini ki Kyrteng belami Dr Mukul Sangma on Iakhun na Artylli Constituency ha Garo Hills.
Of first list of 52 constituencies out of the 60 which we have identified probable candidates in the presence and in our discussions with the Honorable Leader of the Opposition, who is also the Parliamentary Party Leader, and with our Vice Presidents, George Lingdor, and also James Lingdor. We have come to the conclusion, and this is the first list of the 52 probable candidates which we have identified to fight the coming elections 2023 from the All India Mukul Congress. Now, I will read out the list of the names. This will be constituency-wise. I start with 2 July, Mr. A. Andrushalai, who is the MDC. From 4 Bukayao, Mr. Lasting Suchia. From 6 Clarion, Mr. Sunita Bare. From 7 Amlarem, Mr. Alban K. Gashga. From 8 Mauhati, Dr. Saralen Dorpan, Mrs. From 10 Jirang, Sri Sanmun D. Marak. From 11 Umsning, Sri Gilbert Nongrum. From 12 Imroy, Sri George B. Lingdor. From 13 Morakaneng, Sri Banshan Lang Lawai. From 14 Pintormukra, Sri Sambor Lang Dingdo. From 17 North Shillong, Ms. Eljiva Gwenet Linja. From 18 West Shillong, Sri Ivan Maria. From South Shillong, 19 South Shillong, Ian A. Lingdo Nongkuri. From 20 Millim, Sri Gilbert Guiding Star Lalu. From 21 Nongpamai, Sri Charles Pyngrope. From 22 Nongkrem, Sri Jonas Jefferson Tyler Lamprang Lamarik. From 23 Soyong, Studding Star Thaba. From 24 Mauplang, Sri Maukordor Rinja. From 25 Mausenram, Sri Vincent T. Sangma. From 26 Shala, Sri Plinus Kyrtong. From 27 Prunosla, Sri Edmund Kongai. From 28 Sora, Sri Harold Firming Kongsit. From 29 Mopul Road, Sri Dondor Marbanyang. From 32 Nongstoing, Sri Macmillan Kharbani. From 33 Rambrai Jirgam, Sri Fernandez S. Dakar. From 34 Motion Road, Justin G. Moomin. From 35 Ranikor, Sri Savio Prangsini Dakar. From 36 Mapurat, Sri Sounder S. Kaji. From 37 Kharkuta, Sri Cherak Watri Moomin. From 38 Mendipathar, Sri Padinan D. Shira. From 39 Resubel Para, Sri Rinaldo K. Sangma. From 40 Bajengdoba, Sri Tengrak R. Marak. From 41 Samsak, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 42 Rongjeng, Sri Sengnam M. Marak. From 43 William Nagar, Sri Alphonsus R. Marak. From 44 Raksamgre, Dr. Prabir D. Sangma. From 45 Tikrikala, Dr. Mukul M. Sangma. From 46 Fulbari, Sri S. G. Esmatur Mominin. From 47 Rajabala, Dr. Muhammad Mizanur Rahman Kazi. From 48 Salsala, Sri Agassi R. Marak. From 49 Dadingri, Rupa M. Marak. From 50 North Tura, Sri Rupert M. Sangma. From 51 South Tura, Sri Richard Murong Marak. From 52 Rangsakona, Sri Zaid M. Sangma. From 53 Ampati, Srimati Miani Dalbot Shira. From 54 Mahendraganj, Srimati Dikanchi Dalbot Shira. From 55 Salman Para, Sri Vinison D. Sangma. From 56 Gambegri, Srimati Sadhyarani M. Sangma. From 57 Dalu, Sri Senkal A. Sangma. From 58 Rongra Siju, Dr. Rajesh M. Marak. From 59 Chokpot, Sri Lazarus M. Sangma. And from 60 Bagmara, Dr. Saljan Ringrang R. Marak.